Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And as a UX designer or a UI designer or in general as a graphics designer, we have to have a great understanding of brand guidelines and all. Okay, like what are the brand guidelines? What is brand philosophy? What is voice and tone? Though it's specific to graphics design, but obviously all of the designers should keep this in mind because obviously we do client works and client have their own branding guidelines. Okay, whenever I go to client, I ask for it. Now to learn that, we need great examples, right? So today I have a site that actually have prepared their branding guidelines in such a great manner that they have put everything down in really short, crisp, graspable piece of content. Okay, so let's see the platform and let's actually learn from it. Okay, this is a great example. So let's just get started. So here we have Content Harmony's Brand Guideline Hub, and here learn about Content Harmony's brand philosophy, voice, tone, visual style, and editorial guidelines. So they have what they have done. They have made all of these things over here, like made it in a smaller piece of blogs. Okay, here we have web elements, visual guidelines, style guide and word list, our our audience, obviously their audience, editorial guidelines, voice and tone, brand philosophy. Okay, and you can get it as a downloadable template as well. That is also great. Okay, yeah, if you just give them a shout out, they will send it to you. And this is a Creative Commons projects 4.0. Okay, so as you can see, they have made it y- like made it free for everyone, like everyone can use it for, like if it's for non-commercial purpose. But what we are doing here, we are here to learn all of it. Okay, so if you go to brand philosophy, what you can see is they're really to the point, sharp to the point. You can see like this is a really short kind of a blog format over here. Okay, there isn't much of a thing because they have prepared really small chunks of content over here in those sections. In voice and guidelines, we have like overall vibe, best practices, then short sentence paragraphs, write active voices, something like that. Okay, we have the whole guideline of what to use, where to use, how to use, when to use, and everything. Okay, and this is about voice and tone, like, and what I think, like, obviously not just this is not just my thinking, but what we should also maintain while developing a brand or working for a brand. We should always have all of those sections in our brand guidelines as well. Okay, especially voice and tone, like whoever you are appointing as your PR, they should know about it all the times because they are the one who interact with people. So obviously knowing this would help them a lot, right? Likewise others are there as well. So obviously those are really great piece of content that they have produced over here, and it's gonna work as a great example for you to learn from it. Okay, that's why I am sharing it at all. Okay, so basically that's about it about this website. There's nothing much to share about it. This is a great piece of work that they have done over here. Really, like, I have liked the format, like the content, and like the information that they have gathered for their brand. But obviously, as you can templatize it, downloadable template, obviously you can templatize it in other for other brands as well. When you are suppose developing a brand, okay, for yourself or for your client, you can like build all of those things for them, and obviously you're gonna charge for that. But still, This gonna make the complete brand theme for them, right? So that's actually about it for today's video. If you know about some of the great examples like this, please let me know about all of them, because I am studying brands, UX, UIs a lot now. Please help me to study it a lot. Obviously, feel free to comment all of those things down below, because obviously that's gonna help me. And if in future, if I like this, I will obviously share all of those with you, because I know many people wanna search something like this, like have something like this, read and go through, like on something like this. Okay. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the like, yeah, if you, yeah, I have told that already, right? Whatever. If you are uh, liking this video only, okay, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment down below, do whatever, like help me to boost up the YouTube algorithm. 58 videos remaining, so bye for now.